Welcome back. CBI has started investigating alleged financial irregularity of Goa Cricket Association. In this row, one CBI officer on Wednesday visited GCA office and questioned some GCA officials. GCA is facing 2 allegations regarding financial irregularities. CBI is investigating a disputed transaction amounting 17 lakhs in the bank account of GCA member Suryakant Naik. Another allegation is regarding fees paid by the life members. The amount is allegedly not deposited in the relevant account. As of now, there is no trace of the money.
The CBI inspector had come today to investigate. He did not investigate. I was preliminary एक तंका पळोवपाक की खरीच तातून कितें केस आसा काय ना. आमचो एक member हा who is a government servant and he has taken almost 16 to 17 lakhs by check, which is like Suryakant Naik, which he should not do because as per the government rules, to check on and cash actually you can have no income other than the government source. तुम्ही कितें घेता जाल्यार you have to inform the government or तांची रेगुलर ताणें ते इनकम टॅक्साक दाखयल्या काय ना ते पयशे. इनकम टॅक्साची ऑलरेडी आमकां नोटीस आयिल्ली आसा एक 4 म्हयने पण आय थिंक सद्या सगळे बंद असल्या कारणान वी हॅव आस्क्ड फॉर एक्सटेंशन फॉर अबाउट 15 days. सो ऑल दीस थिंग्स आय थिंक इन अनदर 1 or 2 days प्रॉब्लेमां सुरू जावपाचें आहा आमकां पण आय फील दॅट better sense will prevail on the present president and his secretary. As investigation officer आमकां afayले regarding that life memberanचे एक मातशे problem आहा. Lot of life member have paid money but not deposited. ताजेर investigationाक afayले. विलास पयली येवन सांगून गेल्लो की there is some people who have deposited किती 9 लाख कितरी deposit जाल्या उरलेले around 25 lakhs or things are not deposited. And I think they have issuing a notice to all the president, secretary and treasurer to come and explain where the money is.
Appointments of 6 special public prosecutors for High Court and trial courts have come under a scrutiny. Application has been filed before the High Court, pleading to take suo motu cognizance of these appointments. The applicant in his letter has contended that these appointments have been done in violation of Criminal Procedure Code.
Advocate Iris Rodrigues in his plea before the High Court on Wednesday contended that the recent appointments of 3 advocates as Special Public Prosecutor for High Court and 3 advocates as Special Public Prosecutor for Trial Courts have violated Criminal Procedure Code. Goa government in its notification has appointed a panel of Special Public Prosecutors. The law permits appointment of a Special Public Prosecutor only for a particular case or class of a case. It's also contended that government's notification has empowered Advocate General to allot the case to them instead of Director of Prosecution. Applicant pleaded the High Court to take suo motu cognizance of this matter. The High Court allowed Advocate Iris Rodrigues to file a letter petition. Government has appointed Senior Advocate Saresh Lotlikar, Advocate Ashwin Bhobe and Advocate Devidas Pangam as Special Public Prosecutor for the High Court, and Advocate Francis Tavora, Advocate G.D. Kirtani and Advocate S.B. Faria as Special Public Prosecutor for the trial courts. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.